Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Berardo. I hope you're all doing great. In my today's video I'm going to present you 3 shopper bags that I recently ordered from an online web store. I will have their link down below in the info box as well as in this video. And I will have more photos of these items on my blog, which is sonjaverardo.com, so make sure to check it out. Anyways, guys, you know that I like to shop consciously, sustainably, that this is now my mindset. I have been trying to make some improvements in my everyday life, in being less consumist and everything. So whenever I go outside to do some grocery shopping or shopping for clothes, makeup, I always carry a shopper bag with me in my purse. Now I was approached by this company who makes beautiful shopper bags, like the most unique designs you can find there, from your favorite cartoon character to your favorite movie character, to a floral design, beautiful fantasy creatures. They have such an amazing selection of different prints and patterns that it was very difficult for me to pick my favorite 3, but I managed and I'm so happy. Here are the bags. I'm going to show them to you and just tell a little bit more about the bags and why I chose these particular prints. So basically these are linen bags. They are sustainably made and they are, as you can see, quite big and spacious, so they're just perfect for, you know, shopper bags, carrying your groceries, or if you're going shopping for clothes or makeup, as I've told you. It's better to use your own bag, because many places will actually charge you their shopper bags, and also when you arrive home you just throw them away in the bin. It's really wasteful. It's better to have your own shopper bag that is so super cute, that you will also have a lot of compliments on it, and you can always, you know, carry it with you. Or even when you're going to the college or studying, you can put your books and notes inside. And also I think it's perfect for just, you know, storing some things at home, like for example kids' toys or something, because it's very spacious, so a lot of things will fit inside. This is Mickey Mouse print that actually my little son helped me choose because he adores Mickey Mouse, so this is obviously his favorite one. And then I also got the Little Prince one, Le Petit Prince, because I am such a big fan of this story, and whenever I can I buy little notebooks with the Little Prince. Yeah, I'm just a big fan of the story, and I hope that my little one, when he grows up a little bit, will also appreciate the story. Yeah, so I think this one is really cute. And as I've told you, it was very hard for me to choose 3 favorite ones, but I got this one because it's very girly, it's super cute, this unicorn print. I don't know, it's so pretty. When looking at it, it just like brightens up my day and brings me in the happy mood. And certainly my shopping will go well when I carry this shopper bag with me. I have to fill it with good stuff, you know what I mean. These are shopper bags. They are very affordable price-wise. On their web store they always have some sort of promotions and discount coupon codes. I have 20% off for my viewers, and I will put the code here in this video, on my blog and also in the info box, so make sure to check them out because it's really worth it. You can easily put them in your shoulder bag or backpack and carry everywhere with you. The shoulder strap is about 70 centimeters long, which I think it's a perfect length. It's not adjustable, but I really like it the way it is. Okay guys, this was my quick little review of these beautiful linen bags. I hope you will go to the website and pick your favorite one, or maybe even 2, because they're just so super cute. And remember to shop consciously. Try to introduce into your daily life just some little change that will, you know, lead you to that path of being more conscious, of just living more sustainable life, to produce less waste and be less consumist basically. So yeah, these are my goals. I've been trying to practice this for a couple of years now, and for the 2022, this is my philosophy that I want to carry on and continue doing like this. Just small steps, small changes every day, being, mentally aware of this change can really contribute to starting to live by this philosophy and making it your own. So guys, now I'm sending you a big kiss from Croatia. I hope that you will like this video and subscribe for more. And yeah, I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye!